Hey guys, Adam Pangal out here, Toyota of Easley, guys. It's a beautiful Saturday, a couple of clouds. Thankful right now because the sun is not beaming down on my face because it is 86 degrees out here. Beautiful day, guys. Breeze in the air, some great inventory going on from trucks to SUVs, sedans, full-size, mid-size. Guys, I've even probably got a few of those hard-to-reach minivans out here today, guys. But look, we're here, we're open until 6 o'clock tonight, guys. Just want to give you an invitation to let you know, even though on Highway 123 here, you might see this nice piece of the puzzle in the middle of our world. We are doing some construction to revamp the service department. Just wanted to let you guys know we are here, we are open, we are ready to help any way that we can, guys. We wouldn't be anything without our customers, so let me just take a second to say thank you for everything you do for us. We try our best to serve you as best we can, but we're nothing without you folks, guys. And let me just tell you, something I was interested to see this morning when I rolled in, this is a 2024 Toyota Crown, guys. First one I've seen in this beautiful storm cloud color. This is a limited model, folks, so it's going to have a lot of bells and whistles. It's going to give you some great gas mileage, 100% all-wheel drive. And I won't say this is the Avalon's replacement because that's not right. The Avalon went away. The Crown came through. So it's a totally different vehicle. I think I made a big mistake in the beginning saying it was the Avalon's replacement. But guys, this is just a new high-level performance luxury sedan that Toyota has come out with. Like I said, all-wheel drive all the time, every bell and whistle possible, built on the new TNGA platform. This thing is boss. And if you have not had an opportunity to drive it, one of the best riding, if not the best riding vehicle that Toyota makes currently right now. And I also, just to let you know, have a full selection of the brand new 2025 fully redesigned, new body style, impressive new upgrades to the drivetrain, guys. These are just two new vehicles here that we have on the ground right now that I doubt you've had an opportunity to, one, test drive a Storm Cloud Limited Crown or an XLE 2025 Camry. Now, guys, like I said, we're here till about 6 o'clock tonight. We'll be here all day, beautiful outside. We got a gorgeous facility in here, some shade underneath, so I know it's warm. Come in and cool off with us. I'll have the AC coming for you. Now, like I say in most of my videos, be smart, call Adam Pangal. But guys, any of our sales and lease consultants here can help you in any way from new to the pre-owned side. Now, you can reach me or any of us here at 864-855-2233. Or you can look at our full slate of inventory incoming and on the ground, new and pre-owned at www.toyotaofeasley.com. And guys, like I say, enjoy your weekend. It's a beautiful time. Thank you for all that you do for us, and we try our best to reciprocate that. Have a blessed weekend, and thank you again.